Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn off sound effect in Fallout Shelter game. If you want to turn off the sound effect in Fallout Shelter so that you can play the game quietly, first of all open up the Fallout Shelter app on your device. From the home page, tap on the little tablet kind of an icon at the bottom right where it says 6 on my screen right now, and then in the expanded menu, click on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu. Now in order to turn off sound and music, go ahead and drag the little bar right next to sound and music and drag it all the way towards the left and make it close to 0. Right after you do that, you will then turn off the sound effects in the game. Now you can enjoy the game your way in peace and quiet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.